You gotta hold it for him. Let him take it. Don't throw it.
Here he is. I pulled it and when I pulled up, he could eat on them.
Let him take. Look at Daddy. Look. Watch Daddy. Watch Daddy. Here, you try.
I want to try.
Here, there's another one.
Here, Daddy.
Here, give it to the other one. Right there. Don't move. Don't move.
Well, I don't want to give it to them. I want to give a big piece to the dog. Well, can you hold it? I want to try it. I want to try. I want to leave it at this like a big piece.
All right, hold it for him. Hold it for him. He'll take it. He'll be gentle. He's very gentle. No, don't throw it. Just hold it. He's coming. Watch.
Hey, Mommy, get someone up. I'm going in the water. Oh my God.
Hold on. Here he comes. Hold it for him.
That's it.
See, look at that. He just took it right out of Daddy's hand.
He was trying to walk to me.
Come back over here. You have to come back over here, Aunt.
I want to put the bird to Kentucky.
Anthony, say hi.